This is Mazda 5 2008 5-speed. The problem is actually the warning battery always goes out, always illuminate. Even I changed the alternator, I changed it to a brand new alternator. I already changed also the battery, but still the warning battery goes out. And then I check with my OBD scan tool. They give me a error code of high voltage and some error codes. The thing is, the alternator is already changed by a new one, and then the battery also. And then I trace the wiring from the alternator. I test it for continuity reading. I change actually this one, the two wires from the alternator socket going to ECU input, which is this one and the green one, the yellow, red, and then the green. So I make already jump wire direct from here. So I cut this one, so I put wire here directly here. So I cut this one also, and I test it. Still the warning sign of the battery is still on. So many things I already do until I change the big wire from the positive of the alternator going to here, to the fuse, alternator fuse. This is the alternator fuse from positive of the battery going to alternator, and then this one is starter. So we are talking about the wire. I already changed that also and still have the same issue. I changed all the things that OBD scan tool giving an error code, and then the thing that solved the issue is this one. Because if the engine is cold, there's no battery warning. But if the engine is hot, the warning sign goes out. The warning sign illuminate. So the things that I do is this one, there's actually two oxygen sensor here. There's the oxygen sensor 1 and then there's oxygen sensor 2. what I do is, this is the socket for oxygen sensor number 2. What I do is I pull out the socket connection from the socket wiring, from the harness, which is this one. So short, I just take out the socket, and the problem solved, because I already changed the alternator 3 times. Still, I changed the battery with a new one. Still, I changed the tensioner, I changed the belt. Still, and so many things I did. That is the main problem, the oxygen sensor number 2. Maybe if the sensor is hot, they are already grounded to body or shorted. Just maybe this video can help to someone have the same problem with a Mazda 5 2008, or any car which is having the same problem. If I already changed the alternator new, battery new, the wirings I already checked, but still have better check your oxygen sensor, because if cold start, there's no warning error of the battery. There's no signs of battery goes out to the dashboard. But if the engine is hot, the warning battery or illuminate goes out. So I am fixing this for actually 1 week, and then good thing is I already fixed the issue. Okay, this thing maybe can help someone which is having the same problem with their car. Goodbye.